National Examination Council. I walked into the NEC offices 2 weeks ago just to make a follow-up of the letters that we wrote to NEC. Our teachers worked, supervised exams, and also invigilated. Why have you not paid these teachers? We are recommending as Kenya National Union of Teachers, if these teachers are not paid as per what we were told by end of July, teachers, tafadhali, don't present yourself in invigilate exams this time around. Fanya kazi ulipwe. And if anything, this is just a token. That is why we refer to it as honoraria. It is not a pay, it is not an allowance, it is just honoraria. Just to give you some honor, a little bit of coins to appreciate you. Tumetazama mtihani, tumemaliza, the exams have been marked, candidates have actually qualified and taken to other institutions, yet you have not been paid. We are saying, because you are told, it is now factored in the budget. If you are not paid by the end of July, tafadhali walimu, let us think twice before we go to invigilate these exams. Solidarity. 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 We have given an ultimatum to Kenya National Examination Council. If you don't pay our teachers by end of July, as you responded to our demand, then forget about engaging these teachers in this exercise. And I want to tell you, you do your work, you're not paid, kuna shida, you get interdicted, and you're not even part of the problem. And then you continue suffering. And somebody is not ready to pay you. Tunasema hapana, these teachers must be paid because they worked.